Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can check all device specifications on this smartphone. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type DevCheck. Following that, you need to download this app from this developer and open it. Thanks to this app, you can find out all the information about your OPPO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!